What's up, guys? My name is Miles.
And my name is Fez.
And this is The Commodity. And today we're reacting to Sipadan Island scuba diving in Sempurna, Malaysia, #1 dive site in the world. Is that true?
That would be super dope.
Let me know in the comments.
I've literally been telling them because we're about to change this channel from a reaction to not necessarily strictly, but primarily a travel channel.
Yeah, we'll still be doing reaction videos and stuff as well, but a lot of our reactions we'll be doing to things in person at this point, so that'll be really cool.
Right. Now, I've been talking to him, so we're looking at a picture. You'll see whenever we switch it to the main thing. Possibly getting our diving license.
Yeah, so we can go scuba diving.
And not be worried about it, no matter where we are in the world.
Yeah.
So there might be some underwater adventures in the future.
Yeah, and I'm super excited about it. You guys that have been following us along on this journey know how much that we love water. So I definitely, truly enjoy going scuba diving. Guys, this video was posted by The Other Side, so after you watch this video reaction, if you like their video, go ahead and subscribe to them. And speaking of subscribing, we're trying to hit 100,000 subscribers before we hop on the flight to go to Malaysia. We're going in about 2 months or so, a little less than 2 months maybe?
About 2 months.
About 2 months.
Yeah.
We're going in about 2 months. So if you guys could help us, please hit that subscribe button. We're trying to hit our 100,000 subscriber goal before we do get on the plane.
We're less than a week away from March.
Oh, we're less than a month. We're less than 2 months away. Yeah.
There you go.
So also, if you would go ahead and click the like button, it definitely helps us get these videos out to more people. And if you'd like to help support the channel even more, you can click the join button down below. So let's hop in and check this island out. Did I say who suggested it?
I don't think you
Amir
did.
Hafiz, you guys already guessed it, suggested this video. I think Cheap has also suggested this video. So we'll throw you guys both up here.
And guys, no offense to Meryl or even Cheap because they've literally been kind of carrying this channel for us.
Yeah, they throw
hit
us
them and
suggestions.
Bushy's been doing a lot too.
Yeah.
So if you know if you are wanting to suggest, please click the link in the description. Give us some more suggestions, because I appreciate Meryl, I appreciate Cheap and all these other guys, but let's see some other people's perspectives and what you want to see.
Yeah, definitely. And if you're from Malaysia or not, let us know in the comments where you're from. We like knowing where everybody's watching from. So
yeah,
let's go ahead and hop in and check this out.
Even though technically we could check the
analytics.
The analytics.
But it's cool to see what cities and stuff.
Yeah. So definitely let us know down in the comments.
And so this is what he was talking about with the scuba diving.
Yes. Because I've started looking at cameras for this.
And that's what I'm looking forward to, is just swimming through a school of fish.
And if I'm lucky, I'll just open my mouth and we'll just go into it cooked already.
Yeah, and then you'll drown.
Yeah. See, I want to see that.
Turtles.
I want to see that in person.
What kind of shark is that? I'm not asking you. I'm asking them. You probably wouldn't.
No, it's a white-tipped shark.
It was actually black-tipped.
I looked those up. There's actually a whole bunch
Today
of
we're
them.
heading with another dive company to go dive on Sipadan, one of the top 5 dive sites in the world. So this is what they do at ND.
Okay, so it's legit in the top 5 in the world.
Yeah.
That's really cool to know.
Divers every morning.
Oh. Wow.
So that's what those guys do, is go
All right,
and
we're headed on the boat.
clean up.
Anna and I, and then a German friend we met here. They got us our own little private boat here. ND's the man back there. Much bigger than the boat yesterday.
Let's do it. See some more turtles for sure.
Anna might save another one like yesterday.
Probably not. Try.
Hopefully not.
She
You don't
saved
have
it.
to.
Yeah.
We got Tolfi right here. And what's your name?
Ricky.
Ricky?
Yeah.
Ricky and Tolfi taking care of us today. Here we go.
Yeah.
Tolfi, how many people could dive at Sipadan every day?
It's 120.
Only 120.
120
Wow.
divers
Lucky
allowed
three.
per day.
Yeah.
What do you expect to see today, or nothing? No expectations.
I bet you
maybe
that's the
barracuda,
control.
beach school of
He said he expects to see barracuda.
Jack, maybe a Mr. Whale Shark again.
Whale shark. That would be cool.
That would be so scary. I don't know if I'd be
We're
like,
headed in the far distance over here to Sipadan, if you can see it. We're almost there. Very exciting. We're heading out to sea.
would you not be freaked out if you saw one?
Oh, I'd be freaked out if I saw anything bigger than me,
Yeah.
but it'd be cool.
We are here.
But like
It's
whale
right in the
sharks are
background
super
right here.
friendly.
Looks beautiful.
For the first dive, we have to go down to the Sabo Park office and we're just gonna do a registration.
Oh my gosh.
So blue and clear.
Beach volleyball. I always say this. I think this is the prettiest beach I've ever seen in my entire life.
That's something I'll say every beach.
It's a really
Yeah.
small island, but it's beautiful. Anna, what do you think?
Yeah, it's exactly what you said.
She wasn't ready for the question.
Barracuda Point,
South Point.
South Point.
Maybe we're gonna do a Turtle Cave.
Seriously, check this out. How beautiful is this
That
water?
is super
I can't get
gorgeous.
over
That's
it.
insane.
It's cool how you can see where the water drops up
Yeah.
as well.
Tell the world this.
It
So,
was, on
tell
the
us
way-
what you saw.
On the way back from Sipadan to Semporna, there was a lot of dolphins, man. One orca is just swimming.
And the cigarette.
How big?
Dolphins. Big, man. Jumping from the water.
Holy shit.
That's how we saw all the body.
Is that an orca?
It looks like, yeah, killer whale.
Are you
Those
scared
will
to
mess
dive?
you up.
Yes,
Mhm.
of course, man.
Oh my gosh. He saw an orca himself dive out of the ocean, and he's telling me he's scared, but they don't swim near the coral reef, so we're good. It makes for a more thrill day.
He's probably just telling him that.
For the first dive.
Is that they toy with sea turtles and
Yeah.
different animals. Like they will just beat them up. That one would probably like really
Looks like
like
we
if
found
it
some
scares him.
catfish.
It would,
The whole school of them in here. Oh, I see him. Wow. I've never seen a jackfish before.
So the reef start from 5 meters and then drop all the way down to 500 meters.
Oh
Wow.
my god.
But we are not going
Six-
on that
Yeah,
way.
yeah, yeah.
Wow.
Please don't take us there.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
That's so cool.
that's insane. That's a wall.
Yeah. And it's so cool that they don't freak out. That is so gorgeous.
See, this is why I would want that. That is so cool.
Yeah.
I did look up these sharks. There's multiple types. I cannot. Oh,
That is so gorgeous.
that is so beautiful. I think that's one of my favorite sea creatures. Is the
Wow. This was a great first
Turtle.
dive. The jackfish, so many. And I saw a huge turtle at the end there. Here comes the turtle now. Look how pretty that is.
That's so awesome.
Going back down, I think. Enjoying some 3-in-1 coffee. Anna, bathing in the sun.
She looks sleepy.
We got
She
15 minutes
does.
Until our next dive, and then we take a break on the beautiful
Like
beach.
she's
Now
exhausted.
time for our next
from that dive.
We are headed to Barracuda Point, and they're saying it's the #1 dive spot here in Sipadan.
But the truth is, sometimes when you travel, you're sick.
Oh, she doesn't feel good.
Not feeling too hot. That's just the reality. But that's why we do daily travel, right? To show you the truth. Honestly, while I'm down there in the ocean, I feel like that's the only place I'm really meant to be. Like, I don't feel like I need to be anywhere else, and I just talk to the fish.
She's a
that's
That is
awesome.
how I feel when I'm in water.
Yeah,
I don't
except
belong
for
anywhere else.
like, I don't know. It just looks awesome. I'm just so jealous.
To the original creator, I'm sorry we paused on.
Yeah.
mermaid, let's be honest here. She looks like one too.
Aww.
Aw,
That's the
so
nicest thing
sweet.
anyone said about me to a camera before.
And we're gonna dive stuff on. Here we go.
Might be a reef shark. Those are a thing. Or some barracuda. Ooh, barracuda.
Man, they look so aggressive.
Yeah.
I instantly think of Finding Nemo.
Look at that. You just want to cuddle with one.
You know what I heard? So, like, on Finding Nemo, it is more likely that Marlin, the father, actually ate the eggs. Because that is common in clownfish.
Really?
They are jealous fish to the women.
Mm-hmm.
So they are known to actually eat the eggs.
Clownfish are mean.
Yeah. And barracudas supposedly don't eat don't eat eggs. They eat something different. Like I read a whole thing about it and saying that it's extremely unlikely for a barracuda to eat the eggs because they're protected by anemones.
Mm-hmm.
And it's much more likely that the male clownfish ate the eggs because they do that in
Nemo's
wild.
Father ate him. I think I had one of these fish in my saltwater tank.
I just love the turtles, man.
Yeah,
Like, that is the most amazing thing.
they're majestic.
They are.
Wow, the coral, turtles, the sharks, barracudas, the unicorn fish. Now we're gonna stop at Sipadan Island. Beautiful
Did we see
beach,
the unicorn?
and eat
I don't
some
think so.
lunch. Comment down below what your favorite fish you saw was.
Does a turtle count?
The turtle fish.
The turtle fish.
It was a good two dives today. The beautiful coral, and then just being in the
Sounded
open
Aussie
blue
there for a
water
second.
was just unreal. So peaceful and calming. If you haven't done scuba diving, we highly suggest it.
It's so crazy that we have a private boat. Shout out to ND Divers
Thank you, Andy.
because we've seen a bunch of boats with like a lot of divers on them.
Relaxing. My favorite thing to do on a beach. Anna and a beach, sun, sand. And
He
this
had to show
beautiful
the
ocean.
abs. That's
Funny
what it
thing
was.
is, we leave tomorrow and we have no idea
would
where
too.
we're going. We don't even have a flight.
Next stop is Turtle Tomb. There's actually like
They're a
turtle
good-looking
carcass
couple.
Yeah, they
down
are.
in the ocean that we're gonna go see.
Not fair. I wonder where they're from. Obviously the U.S. or Canada.
Big turtle on the beach.
There he is.
On the beach.
Oh,
There's the
What are those?
turtle.
are we diving
Yeah, there's a
here?
person.
Oh.
Oh.
One.
Number one
Shore
shore
dive,
dive?
yes.
Because it's a big drop off.
Yes. Last time there were a resort here,
Oh, okay.
so you just put everything on.
That's
gear
awesome.
Up, and then you just walk.
Expensive?
Yes.
There's not a resort anymore. Is there still a resort?
No more.
Oh.
Why is that?
There's kidnapping happening here.
Oh, what's here?
Yes. By the
That's
terrorists.
crazy.
So.
What terrorist?
resort.
Filipino?
Philippines, yeah.
We've been to the Philippines, so we like.
We love it.
Yeah.
Actually, we are very close to Philippines.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's right over there.
Mm.
So our dive
He's like,
guide
"It's right
was telling
there."
us that Sipadan, there used to be a resort right here. There was a kidnapping here from the Filipino terrorists. Philippines not too far away, but since then it's been safe,
21
and there's no
hostages.
longer a resort on here anymore. It's the government, and they protect the seas now.
All right, guys. So we're gonna do turtle tomb.
Aww.
This is the turtle cave. It's a big cave, but we have to. Yeah, you have to keep your buoyancy.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
I love reefs.
I do too. They're absolutely beautiful. What is that?
Some type of shell.
Oh, he's so chill.
They're all chill.
Look at that. He's just like scrubbing his belly, his buddy. Those are beautiful.
Yeah.
Look how big they are.
Trying
Aw.
to sleep.
I just want to cuddle with one.
Right?
Like, all honesty.
It'd probably be so uncomfortable.
Yeah. But they just look so sweet.
Yeah. And they just glide through the water.
Yes.
Wow. I think that was our favorite dive ever so far. We saw 10 turtles, but not only that, at the beginning of the dive, we went in that deep cave. Just say I was a little bit scared. Anna was totally fine. I was like, dude, we're deep in this cave. If anything goes wrong, I'm done. There goes Anna. What do you say, Anna?
I like swimming without everything. You feel so like light, free.
Yeah.
This might be an epic fail.
Ooh, that was close
Let it go.
though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it feels so good in here.
Doesn't it feel weird?
Without having all that gear on.
Woo! Woot, woot! Now we're headed back to ND Divers, our base camp, and we're gonna go relax. raining, you know? This is crazy. Woo! They got me on the left bank.
Must be after like 1 o'clock because that's when it rains in Malaysia.
Yeah.
They're going fast.
Stand up, own it.
Just cover up.
It's like their
Wow,
what's
that
it
was
called?
wild. Right into this rain.
Look
at Anna's hair.
What's it called when you? It's like illegal now, where you put the thing over your face and they put water on it.
Oh, waterboarding.
That's what it looked like. They're waterboarding themselves.
Wild Bornean woman. Their friends over here are building a fire so they could cook some fish on it. Storming though, so they brought it under here.
That'd be so enjoyable to sit
Storming though, so they
right here at this bench and eat fish right here while you're watching the
brought it
ocean.
under here.
Oh yeah,
Pizza.
that's lake living here.
Mhm.
Look at this. Pizza Hut. It's Pizza Hut.
Yum.
It looks so
I
good.
haven't had Pizza Hut in so long. I'm so tired and Ian's pissing me off.
If you enjoyed that video at Sipadan today, click the like.
They are good. I like these
the
guys.
like button. Comment down below what you think.
Go subscribe to their channel if y'all enjoyed that video. They're pretty cool. The Other Side.
Yes.
They're awesome. So yeah, go check them out if y'all enjoyed that video. I enjoyed it. I wish they would have shown a little bit more of the dives. But you could tell it's more of a vlog style video. So
Yeah,
I'm not complaining. It was a good video.
for sure. I enjoyed it a lot. So whenever we've already discussed it, I mean, considering that we started out as a reaction channel, we're still currently doing reactions.
Mm-hmm.
But whenever we start like actually traveling and stuff, we really hope that we can help out reaction channels
Yeah.
that are wanting content to react to. So we're going to let people know, and I'm saying it now, that whenever we do travel, as long as it's not like, we probably like 48 hours, 72 hours, let our videos actually get the views first. But after that, it's like, we want everybody to, if you need to use our content, it's there for y'all.
Yeah, for sure.
Because it's just giving back.
Hopefully our content's good enough to react to one.
Exactly. That's the way I look at it.
That'd be a compliment to me.
When you're reacting to a video that somebody makes, realistically, that's a compliment to them.
Yeah, for sure. 100%.
But guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. It'll help us get it out to a lot more people. If you want to see our future videos and help us hit that 100,000 subscriber milestone, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. And if you want to support us directly, hit the join button. And with that being said,
My name's Miles.
and my name is Fez.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Peace.
Out.